Are you a therapist or coach seeking to elevate your practice, wanting to increase patient satisfaction and loyalty, looking to streamline your billing and collection systems, seeking to expand your patient base? At Theraparea, we understand the importance of monitoring patients' day-to-day progress through their healing journey. That's why we've developed a unique platform that will help you empower your patients with a more autonomous and personal support system. Additionally, Theraparea will give you a comprehensive digital toolbox, an AI-empowered diagnostic system, empowering therapists with precise problem identification and creating treatment recommendations based on the diagnostic results, a multilingual meditation library, offering a plethora of therapeutic meditations applicable to various patient needs. Create personalized meditations by adding your voice instructions and guiding to the patient autonomously between sessions. Advanced marketing tools, your own marketing website for showcasing your services, coupled with an automatic mailing system. New patient acquisitions and re-engagement of previous patients have never been this efficient. Comprehensive patient management system, allied with Google's Calendar for easy diarizing, flexibly schedule appointments, automated reminders, billing, and a built-in clearing system featuring a low fee. Patient-side software. Empower the patient with the freedom to do exercises and book appointments. It has been proven to enhance patient satisfaction and loyalty throughout their therapeutic journey. It's all-encompassing, it's empowering, and it's all in one place. Can you afford to give up these advanced tools at a monthly cost of less than the price of one treatment? You can sign up now for a free trial period without entering credit card details and without obligation.